Chapter 8 Operators in Python. Chapter Surf. Operators, Types of Operators, Operator Precedence. In the previous chapter, you have learned about declaration and initialization of variables with some basic functions of Python. Now, let's learn more about Python. Operators. Operators are those special symbols that carry out arithmetic or logical computation on the operands. Let us consider an expression 10 into 200 is equal to 200. Here, 10 and 20 are operands, and cross is the operator. Types of operators. The different types of operators provided in Python can be categorized as assignment, arithmetic, relational, logical, and string. Assignment operator. In any programming language, assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. For example, a is equal to 5. This statement will store the values 5 to the variable name a. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators perform basic operations on numeric values to do mathematical calculations. The standard arithmetic operators are operator, symbol, description, example, addition, to obtain the sum of the value of 12 plus 5.5 is 17.5. Subtraction, to subtract the values, value of 25 minus 35 is 10. Multiplication, to find the product of the data, value of 5.2 into 5 is 26. Division, to divide the numbers and give an output in the decimal form. Value of 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Value of 10.0 divided by 3 is 3.333. Floor division, to divide the number and give an output in the integer form. Value of 5, floor division 2, is 2. Remainder, modulus, to find the remainder when one value is divided by the other. Value of 3 modulus 2 is 1. Exponential, to calculate the power of given number. Value of 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Relational operators. Those operators which tell us the relationship between two variables are called relational operators. These operators are also known as comparison operator because they compare the value of variables and determine the relationship based on comparison. The result of these operators is in the form of true or false. In Python, 6 types of relational operators are as follows. Symbol, operator, example, greater than, 5 greater than 2 is true, less than, 5 less than 2 is false, greater than or equal to, 5 greater than or equal to 5 is true, less than or equal to, 5 less than or equal to 8 is true, not equal to, 5 not equal to 5 is false, equal to, 5 equal to 5 is true. Program. Output. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to control the flow of program execution. These operators are mainly used in conditionals to draw comparison between two variables. The three main types of logical operators are AND operator. It joins two relations such that it returns true value when both the expressions produce true output. OR operator. It joins two relations such that it returns true value when any of the two or both the expressions produce true output. NOT operator. It is used to reverse the result of a test expression. Program. Output. String operators. While programming, sometimes you may have to perform operation on string values. In Python, two types of string operator are as follows. Concatenation operator plus. This operator is used to concatenate or join two strings. Program. Output. Replication operator. This operator is used to replicate a given string for the specified number of times. Program. Output. Operator precedence. An expression is made up of variables, constants, and operators. For example, 15 minus 5 into 20. Precedency plays an important role when more than one operator are involved in an expression. To evaluate these types of expressions, there is rule of precedence in Python. It dictates the order of evaluation of operators in an expression. The level of operator precedence is high to low. A higher level precedency operator is evaluated first. To know the precedency of operator, follow the given table. Description operator. Parenthesis, exponentiation, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, addition and subtraction, relational operators. Consider the following example. 24 plus 5 into 4. Here we have an expression which contains two operators, plus and multiplication. Which operator do you think will be evaluated first, addition or multiplication? If addition is applied first, then the answer will be 116. And if multiplication is applied first, the answer will be 44. To answer such question, we need to look at the operator precedence table. As a result, the operator with higher precedence is evaluated before the operator with lower precedence. Thus, from the precedence table, we can conclude that the multiplication operator is above the plus operator, so the multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. Therefore, 5 multiplied by 4 will be evaluated first. 24 plus 5 into 4. 24 plus 20. 44. Thus, 44 is the answer. Program 1. Write a program in Python to calculate the perimeter and area of square. Hint: perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side and area of square is equal to side into side. Program. Output. Program 2. Write a program in Python to swap the value of two variables. Program. Output.